Ever wondered what it takes to live and work in space? We're talking brushing your teeth in zero gravity, spacewalks with $1 million view, and of course, getting paid for your bravery. But what about those astronaut paychecks? Can you just whip out your debit card at the lunar cantina and grab a celebratory moon mojito? The answer, like most things in space, is a bit more complicated than a simple yes or no. Buckle up, spacefarers, because we're blasting off on a financial odyssey to explore the fascinating, and sometimes frustrating, world of astronaut money in space. Spacefaring salaries, earning your stripes, and pennies. First things first, astronauts are highly trained professionals with years of experience in science, engineering, and the military. Their salaries reflect this expertise. In the United States, NASA astronauts fall under the General Schedule, GS, pay system, with pay grades ranging from DS-12 to GS-14. This translates to a yearly salary ballpark of $66,000 to $145,000, depending on experience and qualifications. Now, that might sound like a hefty sum, but remember, becoming an astronaut is a marathon, not a sprint. Years of rigorous training, grueling physical conditioning, and mental fortitude tests whittle down the applicant pool to a select few. So, by the time you're suited up and ready for liftoff, you've likely put in the equivalent of a PhD worth of dedication and student loan debt, but let's not go there. The great intergalactic ATM hunt, cash is, almost, king or queen. Alright, so you've trained hard, earned your astronaut cred, and that sweet space paycheck is rolling in. Now you hanker for a celebratory space latte on the International Space Station, ISS. Can you just use your earthly debit card and withdraw some space bucks? Unfortunately, the answer is a resounding no. There are no intergalactic ATMs on the ISS, and spacewalks with a debit card reader strapped to your arm wouldn't exactly be practical. Astronauts don't carry physical cash in space. Everything is handled electronically, with transactions recorded and settled back on Earth. Houston, we have a banking problem, limited spending options. But wait, there must be some way astronauts can spend their hard-earned space cash, right? Well, yes and no. The spending options for astronauts are, shall we say, a tad limited compared to your average weekend shopping spree. Most astronaut expenses are covered by their missions. Food, water, and even basic toiletries are provided. However, astronauts do have a small allowance for personal items, think toiletries not included in the standard kit, books, music, or maybe a special treat for a fellow crewmate. These purchases are typically made through pre-approved catalogs or online stores with electronic payment options. The future of space finance, crypto on the moon. Space exploration is still in its early stages, and the financial infrastructure for long-term space living is still being ironed out. As we venture further into the cosmos and potentially establish settlements on the moon or Mars, the need for more robust financial systems will become crucial. Could cryptocurrencies play a role in future space economies? Perhaps. Blockchain technology offers a secure and decentralized way to handle transactions, potentially eliminating the need for physical cash or reliance on Earth-based financial institutions. So, can you withdraw cash in space? For now, the answer remains a firm no. But as space exploration continues to evolve, the financial landscape for astronauts may very well change. Who knows, maybe one day you'll be sipping a space margarita on the lunar surface, paying with your handy-dandy moon Bitcoin. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.